Hi, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to download these complex wind turbine blades from the Whitebox design environment. So we've taken some time to produce this blade that has pitch and twist and a lot of complex three-dimensional structure. So I want to show how we download the STL files. This is going to be under Outputs, Download STL Files. You have several different files to choose from. No matter what your choice, you need to download the blade root. Now we have a choice between printing the rest of the blade in two pieces, an inner piece and an outer piece, or just one. Printing in two pieces will enable you to scale things up larger on a print bed that has a maximum print volume, height, width, etc. So I'm going to download both the inner and the outer blade, and that's it. These should be in my download folder, and from here they could be placed as STL files. They could be placed directly in Slicer software, or as I'm going to show in the next video, perhaps modified in SketchUp if need be.